Hello fellow model railroaders. It's Friday, January 23rd, 2015, and I have been working off and on this week on the Waterfall corner feature of my model railroad. What you're looking at is just a small shot of a tunnel portal, and we'll just pan up a little and you can have a view of the mountain peaks leading up to the waterfall area. As you can see, I've used the ever popular cardboard webbing, which I've covered with fiberglass screening, and you can't really see it all that well, but okay, here we go. In that particular area and down is the actual waterfall, the dual track bridge, and the start of the Clearwater River, which is a major river basin in the foothills of the Rocky Mountains in Alberta. And then if we pan a little bit further to the right, more screening, and then it ties in to the mountain that exists above the mine site and that type of thing over here. The mine site is actually going to be right where the glue bottle and the bridge and whatnot are. That's down the road a bit. The trackage is in, but that's about it. I'll see if I can pan in a little bit onto that waterfall. Nope, looks like I'm right at the edge. Here's a little bit more of an overview. Anyway, this is a short one, and that's what I've been up to. I'm going to start putting the plaster cloth now on the screening, and once I get that done, I'll put together another quick little video. Thanks for watching. Comments are always welcome. Bye.